Hello, Sanibonani, beautiful people. How are you doing? And thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. If you are new here, my name is Thenjiwe. I am a South African content creator. And yeah, thank you for clicking to watch this video. This is not a happy video. I am very, very upset. I am looking at the camera so I can see that the t-shirt I'm wearing doesn't look proper. So let me just stand up for a bit and show you what the t-shirt is before you start having ideas. It is my Mapagisha t-shirt. A friend made it for me because apparently I'm always packing stuff and going to the new place. And it's one of my favorite t-shirts. So don't have any ideas because I can see how this is showing on camera. So it's Mapagisha. Anyway, I'm doing this video to let you know about something that is hurting me, that is breaking my spirits, which is my Facebook page. My Facebook page, my main page, recently reached 1 million followers, but I could not even celebrate that because the page has been giving me heartache. The page has been blocked. The page has been restricted. At first, they said they were restricting me for a week. And then I thought, okay, let's see. Because I didn't know what I did. I tried to find out what I did. But Facebook is very difficult to reach. And then the next thing, it was restricted for 90 days. And 90 days has gone past. And the page still has restrictions. With restrictions, it means I can't do everything on the page. It means I cannot monetize on the page. And I have been having trouble going live on the page. If you have noticed my recent lives, they've not been long. And I've done them using StreamYard. And I can't even have, like at about 2 minutes or just before 2 minutes, the live cuts off. And if I try to do a live directly using my Facebook, my creator app, it just doesn't work. I do not know what I have done, and I've not been able to monetize for the past 3, 4, 5 months. And that hurts me as a content creator because it just discourages me from doing what I love, which is creating content and sharing it with you. And I was recently in South Africa. I just got back on Saturday, 2 days ago. And I was so hurt because I had not been home in the past 2 years. I last went home pre-COVID and I was excited. I was going to share like my journey. You know how I'm like when I'm traveling. I like to share with you guys. And obviously in KZN, we also had the floods, which were a disaster, and it was not nice. But even that, I would have loved to share with you guys. But my Facebook said, no, girl, we are not doing that with you. So I have even considered just stopping altogether. But something in me told me, you know what, girl, you do not give up. Do not give up. So I have opened another page because when I tried to find out, they said some content on my pages, because I manage a few pages using my main account. I've deleted the content. I've deleted the pages that were flagged as pages with content that was breaking Facebook rules. I cleaned everything up, but still the Facebook content is still hurting my page. So I do not know what to do next. And everything I've got on my page is my original work, and they not even like being specific to say this is the video or this is what you need to delete. So I do not know what I have done. But what I've done is I've opened another page which I will share with you guys. Please do follow me on that page. It is Thenjiwe Comedy, and that's where I am going to be posting content from now on. That's where it's a page that I use to manage, and now it's the page that I am going to post. It's going to be my main page. So please do follow me on that new page. It is 100% free, mahala, to follow. And if you do not already follow me on my YouTube channels, please do follow me. I've got Thenjiwe Comedy, which is the page where I post all my comedy content. I've got Thenjiwe TV, which is our news page where we talk about things that are happening around the world, and it's our cultural page where we talk about our cultural things. And I've also got Thenjiwe Unplugged, which is my vlogging channel where I share my travels with you. And I am very fortunate because I'm a stand-up comedian and I get to be booked all around the world, and I get to see different things and take videos and share them with you. So please do follow me on those pages. Do subscribe. It's 100% free to subscribe. So for now, please, just to encourage me, to give me the love that will make me continue to create the content, please do follow me on my Facebook page. And I have come to learn that a few other content creators are having trouble with Facebook. Some have said it's their content that is not done in English is being flagged and it's giving them restrictions. And I don't know if that's the case with me, or if there's any content that I did that upsets anyone and they decided, no, girl, you are not going to be able to continue doing this Facebook thing. But I'm not giving up. I'm going to start on a new page, and please do follow. I'm going to share a link with you. I need to have 10,000 followers, and I can't remember how many minutes of watch time in order for me to start using the page as a content creator and be able to unlock all the tools that content creators have on Facebook. So please do me a favor, follow the page and watch the videos. And I am going to try and start, because I can't go live on my page using Creator Studio, but I can if I use StreamYard. But I was having trouble even using StreamYard when I was in South Africa. My videos were cutting off at like 2 minutes. The video would cut off, or would start a live and it would cut off. And they just not showing as nice. It's not a full video. It's like, I don't know what's happening. But I will not give up, and I rely on your support, and I appreciate you for all the support you've given me over the years. And please do not give up, because I am also not giving up. And yeah, I do not know if there's anyone who knows what can be done to save my page. Please do let me know. Otherwise, I am happy to start from scratch, because I love what I do. I love creating content, and I am definitely not going to give up. So yeah, that's it for this video, and I have so much to share. I recently went to South Africa, like I told you. I've got so many videos that I took. I went there for a friend's wedding, and it was my first time since the pandemic started. So there was a lot of catching up with friends and family, and unfortunately, while I was in KZN, we had the floods, which we will talk about. So much drama happened around the floods, and lives were lost. People lost their livelihood, their homes. It was not an easy time. It was very, very hard. So I'd like to share some of my experiences with you. And please do me a favor, share this video, subscribe on my YouTube channels, and please follow me on this new page. And I love you guys. And yeah, thank you.